welcome to GuideUp. In this video, I am going to guide you on how to delete search history on Google Chrome. For that, make sure you open your Google Chrome. Now, it is a very simple step. At this home page, at the top right, you can see this three dot icon. You need to click over there. And here you can see various options. Now here you need to simply choose history, which is just below password and autofill. You can click over there. You'll be noticing this kind of interface will appear. Now you can simply click on history or you can press Ctrl+H and you will be lead to another interface. Now here you can see numerous options and all the data or the link that you have opened. Now in order to delete it, you can simply select it one by one and delete it according to your preference, or you can simply click on this delete browsing data option at the left side. And this kind of interface will be appearing where you can choose the time range, that is last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks or all time. You can choose according to your preference. For this video, I will go for all time. After that, you can also go to this advanced section. Now if you go back and see, then you will notice that your history has been deleted. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel GuideUp. Thank you.